Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is right attitude for quick success. Right attitude to quick success. Have right attitude. Good leaders achieve turnarounds by doing ordinary things in a spectacular way. Why good leaders do ordinary things in a spectacular way? Because that is the right attitude. Every customer matters to the business owner, and even the smallest details are taken care of, and this kind of right attitude spells success in the long run. Each customer's minute details are taken by the shop owner. Why? Because he wants to continue that buyer to his shop in future forever. Strategies for right attitudes. 1. Right attitudes in the context of rapidly changing industrial scenario and lifestyles. Industrial scenario and lifestyles are rapidly changing. That is why right attitude required. Right attitudes only can take you to heights. 2. Suitable model to control a given situation. 3. Causes behind successful mental attitude. CIA model is control, influence, accept. That is the CIA model. Control, influence and accept. Number 1. Can he control it? Number 2. Can he influence it? Number 3. Must he just accept it? Control. Most situations are beyond one's control, but what one should do in those situations is up to him. The situations how to control, it is up to you only. Influence. People have influence over the environment, clients, situations, etc. Eliminate guilt, which is the biggest sinker. One should influence what he can, and his attitude improves. One can improve his attitude. One can improve his attitude. Eliminate guilt, which is the biggest sinker. So, eliminate guilt from you. That is the biggest sinker. The sinker is sinker that sinks. Accept. People get depressed over things about which they have no control over. Weather, traffic, political situation, natural calamities, sudden shift in individual behavior. When no control and influence over a situation, accept it and move on. If you have no control on a situation, if you cannot influence a situation, you accept it and move on it. Have enthusiasm and confidence. Have enthusiasm and confidence. Nothing great is ever achieved without enthusiasm. Only with enthusiasm you can achieve greatness in life. Enthusiasm inspires confidence, raises morale, builds loyalty. If you meet a person with bubbling enthusiasm, the high voltage smile on the face electrifies the whole atmosphere. Enthusiasm and desire change mediocrity to excellence. If you have enthusiasm and desire, it changes your mediocrity to excellence. People management, resource management, work management, product management and time management are concepts But without proper enthusiasm and a lack of confidence, all the concepts will be failure. Enthusiasm is contagious. People with certain effervescence attract others. Somebody may receive rejection at first, but perseverance pays off at the end. Be confident. Have faith in your ability. Positive people display confidence because they absolutely know they can get the job done. Mind your own business. Positivity effect. In psychology and cognitive science, positivity effect is the tendency of people. Thus, the qualities of successful people with a positive mental attitude which you can emulate. I am giving qualities of successful people you can emulate. 1. Failure has no power over successful people. A wise man finds an opportunity in every adversity. Number 2. Perseverance, come what may, achieving goal is important. Number 3. Take responsibility for your own actions. Your current situation is believed to be merely a reflection of your previous thought patterns. 4. Developing whatever way it takes is very essential. This mentality is an extremely important part of a positive mental attitude. Life is full of stories of people with less natural talent becoming more successful than their more talented counterparts. They make life pay the price. Number 5. Focusing the energies on what you want and control not what you don't want. Successful people are decisive. They are with a positive mental attitude. They make decisions and stick to them. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, serves as a great example as he is successful after 9,999 unsuccessful attempts. Success stories of great people are the stories of adopting right mental attitude at the right time. In today's competitive, globalized environment, it has become imperative to train their employees, especially working in the knowledge sector, to conduct training programs in attitude management, formulating a realistic plan and getting down to the task by way of writing and analyzing it gives the necessary boost to the concerned person. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.